Today we're doing an exercise that can be extremely helpful, and often it is overlooked for hip health, for stiff hips, maybe back pain, or just inflexible body, stiff hips, and inability to really stretch the hamstrings or the hips. It is a strength flexibility exercise for which you will need weights. Start with light weights if you're new to working out, and maybe the back of a chair for support. We're going to start with the light weights, and we're going to do kickstand deadlift, one-legged kickstand deadlift. If you're very new to this, skip the weights and just hold on to the back of a chair. You're going to step your left leg back, and you're going to step your right foot forward. Most of the weight, 80 to 90% of your weight, will be on the front leg. We're going to push the right hip and the left hip back without twisting and lifting one hip higher than the other. Try to keep them square and level, and you're going to lower the weight down by your right leg with neutral spine and come up. Push the foot into the ground, and with that push force you come up. The spine is completely neutral, and this is teaching your body how to activate and use the glutes and hamstrings versus overusing the back and keeping the hips stiff. This teaches the body also how to stretch and how to build strength. Completely neutral spine. Resist the desire to round the back. If you don't have the flexibility to go all the way down, you're going to stop short in this move, and the hamstrings, hips will open over time. Feeling the tripod of the right foot, activating the heel and the pads of the toes is tripod stand. And change sides, same thing. You're going to put the weight on the front leg, the knee slightly bent, pushing that left hip back and keeping the hips level and square. Hip hinge. You're moving like a doll, hinging at the hips. The back is completely neutral. The back is not working here. The force to hinge up comes from the hips and from the glutes and hamstrings. And you can do this exercise about 8 times on each side. 1 to 3 sets is enough, and repeat it a few times a week, 3 to 4 times a week, and you will see incredible results with your alignment, hip strength, hip flexibility, and improved back posture, even it can reduce back pain if that's the source of your back pain, how you use your hips. So I'll see you with more classes or more videos like this. Let me know if this was helpful, and I'll see you soon.